Okay, hello YouTube. I'm just going to be showing you guys something that I think you need in terms of if you're looking to trade crash, uh, crash and boom and volatility index. It's quite good. It's a really nice strategy. You can see that, well, if you look at this ones over here, this 1, 2, 3, those are just simple mistakes, ones that I didn't really want. Again, you can see them there. I quickly try and close them, but in general, it's a really good strategy. And on YouTube, most of the strategies you find are usually something that goes like, if you're trading crash, then you're looking to buy. If you're trading boom, you're looking to sell, right? Well, this strategy blows that out of the water simply because it helps you to buy and sell. So whether crash, whether boom, whether volatility index, it doesn't matter. You can buy, you can sell, and yeah, it's got some really good returns. You just need to leave it, and yeah, you get some really good results. First, it's going to be like 3 videos. So this first one is going to really be the settings, and I don't really want this to be quite long. So I'm just going to go start off with the settings, and then the next video I'll start with the crash, and yeah, what to look out for, and then the last videos would just be other things. Once those 3 are done, I'll go on to volatility index, and then same strategy, probably just 1 or 2 videos on that, and then yeah, you'll be able to get a couple of things. So settings, or what indicators I use. Sincerely, there are probably a couple of things you don't need, but I leave them there just because of habit. Let's have a look. So for example, parabolic SAR or SAR, you don't necessarily need that, but sometimes for confirmation when it breaks out, yeah, you can use it if you need some visual guidance. Okay, but I'll just explain all the ones I have on my current screen. Okay, so let's go back. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through the settings and the indicators I have. Let's start. So on the main window, so first of all we have 1, 2, 3, 4. A few of them are covering the same thing, but for my own personal reasons I use them, but you guys can mix match, but keep the basic ones, and I'm sure you will get a good result. So main window, I have 2 moving averages and a parabolic SAR. Okay, so my moving average, it's 100 days exponential and white 3 pixels. You could use whatever pixel you want. Okay, so 100 days exponential close. Okay, so that's that. Moving average 2, that's 200 days or 200 period. Zero shift. Method exponential, apply to close. Choose whatever color you want. Done. Okay, so that's the two that we have here. Why do I need them? Simply to determine the trend that I will be following. Okay, if it's above the two moving averages, then you buy. If it's below, you sell. If it's within both of them, you wait. That's the simple rule. If it's above, you buy. If it's below, you sell. If it's within the two moving averages, you leave. Okay. Zones like this, when it breaks out, you could buy. But if you want to be safe, you could wait for somewhere here when it reverses and then continue to buy. Okay, so the two moving averages. Next one is you click on your indicator window again. You add in a stochastic oscillator, and the period is 533. Price field is low high. Method is simple, and you add some levels. So pause it here and just add the levels. So 20, 80, 0, 100, 0, 50. Okay, 20, 80, 0, 100, 0, 50, and whatever style you choose, enter. So as you can see on my stochastic down here, it's got the 100, the 80, the 50, the 20, 0. Okay, that's what it looks like. So hopefully you post it, but I'll click it again. It's 533, low high, simple, 20, 80, 100, 50. And that's what you would get. Next one is you create an envelope. Period, 14 days. Zero shift. Deviation, 0.100 or 0.100. Method, simple. Apply to close. Levels, none. Upper band, you choose the color you want. Lower band, choose the color you want. And done. And that's going to sit within the stochastic window. Okay, so remember, you click on the same window. So first of all, you click on main window, add stochastic. Once that's been created, you go back, you click on this window, then you add envelope, and that's the band details you need. So then that gets created. Once that's done, you go to create another window, and then you add awesome oscillator. Levels, none. Value up, green. Value down, red. Choose whatever color you want. No fuss really. Then done. Simple, that's it. And finally, this window is something I found on YouTube really, and I've kind of really just stuck with it. Yeah, it's really cool. It gives me some signals, but mainly what I use it for is confirmations. Remember, envelopes, moving average, they obviously they're both trend following, so like I said, a lot of this suggest the same thing, but I'm used to them now, so I stick with what I know, and I'm sure when you guys test this out, you will see how great it works. Actually, one of the reasons I started doing this video was to hopefully catch this drop, but it's already started anyway. So let's be quick. So you've had your AO created, so the last one now is the final box. Let's have a look at the internal structure. So create another window. Okay, so you go to main window, then you choose what you want to create. So it would be CCI, Community Channel Index, and this is the details. So again, pause it here and try and copy out the details. So period 10, apply to close, levels, there we go. Then you can pause it here again and use these details. To be sincere, like I said, I actually found some of this on YouTube. I actually don't think I use all these details anymore, but I still have a look at it. So you guys might actually not want to use them after a while, but I use it anyway. So once you've done all this, okay, that would create the box. Then the final thing is a moving average. 8, shift 0, method exponential, apply to high, levels, none, style, choose whatever color you want. Okay, so that really is it. Yeah, that's the internal structure. So this is going to be the first video on what you use. Then the next video, I'm going to explain how I use it. Yeah, hopefully I will record a video on the trade I take as well, so you guys can see how it works. Okay, thanks.